Hello and welcome to XQ. In this demo, we'll show you how to set up and use XQ's Outlook add-in on mobile. To get started, head over to your App Store and download the Outlook application. Once you have installed Outlook, open the Outlook application and log into your Outlook account. To access XQ's Outlook add-in, tap on your profile picture visible on the top left corner. Tap on the setting gear icon and scroll down to find Add-ins menu. You can then search for the XQ Outlook add-in and hit Install, followed by pressing Continue. To finish your setup, click on an email and press the horizontal ellipsis on the right top corner. You will then see Read with XQ, where you will be directed to a pop-up titled XQ Secure Outlook. Click on the Send Confirmation email and close out of the window. A confirmation email will appear. The email will be titled XQ Temporary Credentials. Be sure to check your spam or junk mail if you do not see the XQ confirmation email in your main inbox. XQ's Outlook add-in lets you embed Zero Trust encryption into your Outlook account. XQ works cross-platform and lets you send encrypted messages and files to any email app with just one click. It's free to install and lets you take encryption anywhere you work.